Hello everyone and welcome to Moreton Bay Libraries. I'm Kathy, this is George, and we're here to bring you baby rhyme time. Let's start with our acknowledgement to country. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on Gubby Gubby and Udumby people ground. Let's start with our welcome song. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon grows. Arms go high, arms go low, a great big hug to say hello. Hello, everyone. Now let's do, this is one of my favourites. I think George loves this one. Open, shut them. Have your hands like this and we go, open, shut them. You ready, George? Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Lay them in your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them. Right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. Blow a little kiss. Good job, everyone, good job. This is row, row, row your boats next. I like this one too, George, you're right. You ready? Because you get to make lots of big sounds in this one. Ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ha! Row, row, row your boat slowly down the river. If you see a polar bear, don't forget to shiver. Row, row, row your boat by the ocean shore. If you see a lion there, don't forget to roar. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Well done, everybody. That was very good. You like that one? That's good. Now, I'm going to put you on my lap, George, for this one. Is that okay? Now this one's called I Bounce You. So you just have your little one on your lap and we give them a little bounce. They'll like this one. Ready? I bounce you here, I bounce you there. I bounce you everywhere. I tickle you here, I tickle you there. I tickle you everywhere. I hug you here, I hug you there. I hug you everywhere. Should we do it again? Because you like to get hugged, don't you, George? Let's try again. I bounce you here, I bounce you there. I bounce you everywhere. I tickle you here, I tickle you there. I tickle you everywhere. Oh, I hug you here. Oh, I hug you there. I hug you everywhere. Well done. Now I'm going to do a rhyme with you. Now some people sing this rhyme. I actually just speak it. Let's go. It's called I Had a Little Turtle. This is my turtle. You ready? I had a little turtle. His name was Tiny Tim. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water. He ate up all the soap. And now he's home sick in bed with bubbles in his throat. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Bubble, bubble, pop. Well done. Oh, that was a big bubble to pop, wasn't it? Now, thank you, George. Come on back up. Let's do our goodbye song. Are you ready? I know you don't want to say goodbye yet, but we do have to. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high. Oh, a great big hug to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Now, doing these rhymes has great bonding experience with your children. Just the repetition of it just really helps them with their language skills. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you again soon. Bye. Say bye, George. Bye.